All right, joining us now from Pakistan on these developments is Mr. Hamid Gul. Thank you, Mr. Gul, for joining us. Well, a big day here in India, all right, in the Supreme Court today as it pronounced its judgment on the lone terrorist who was captured after the 26/11 attack. Ajmal Amir Kasab has been given a death sentence. It's been upheld by the highest court of the land. Your first reaction, sir?
Yes. Well, we should respect the judgment of the court. That's what's important. Unfortunately, India does not respect the verdicts of our courts. They continue to press against Hafiz Saeed and others against whom no evidence has been found. So basically, both our countries are working their judicial system on the basis of Anglo-Saxon law. And as far as I am concerned, I would respect the judgment of the court. But there is a problem with the court as well. Like in case of Afzal Guru, for instance, it turned out that the evidence was not enough, and that's why, although he was given the death penalty, but until now he's not been sent to the gallows. So I don't know what is going to happen to Ajmal Kasab in this case. But in any case, my value judgment is that whatever the court has said, we have to honor it.
Mr. Gul, isn't there a need for Pakistan now to also expedite as far as this 26/11 trial that's on in the country? There have been adjournments after adjournments. There's a judicial commission that comes to India, and then the court rules it did not have the mandate. People here, many of them, in fact, believing that what's going on in Pakistani courts is actually a farce because nothing really has come out of it so far.
Oh, you are talking of Pakistani courts that they are fake and your court is good. What I am saying is your court is good, our court is good also. So that is the basis on which we should rest our case. As far as Ajmal Kasab is concerned, it was his confessional statement which was not converted into not guilty. I mean, although the law says that even if he says confesses guilty, if the penalty is death, in that case the court ought to automatically convert it into not guilty and then proceed. And I don't know, but I still respect the judgment of the court.
But what about the trial in Pakistan, Mr.
And
Gul?
correspondingly, you, the Indians, must also respect the judgment of our court.
So with due respect to courts in Pakistan, what really is the status of this trial which has been going on for so long? There have been adjournments after adjournments. This case here in India has gone through 3 courts, right from trial court to the Supreme Court, and finally we have a verdict in this case. If Pakistan is serious about, bringing to book the perpetrators of 26/11, why is there no sort of urgency shown?
As far as I know, Pakistan has been hankering for more evidence. He's been asking for a panel of lawyers to go and question Ajmal Kasab, and India has been dragging their feet. They have not been allowing that. So neither the cross-questioning of Ajmal Kasab has been allowed, and nor the evidence has been provided. Now, the evidence has to be sustainable in a court of law. You cannot say this is evidence. I know even 9/11's evidence is flimsy. Nothing even Osama bin Laden was not charge-sheeted and he was killed cold-bloodedly in Abbottabad. When he was about to surrender, he did not put up any resistance and Obama ordered his killing. So Obama is a murderer in that case. Similarly, in this particular case, how can you, without a terrible evidence, go and pass a judgment? Maybe your court has found it fit to see that the evidence is good enough for a death penalty, and as I said, that we should respect that.
All right. So, sir, you're saying the evidence is flimsy. You're saying the evidence is not enough. Mr. Gul, thank you for joining us. We can only hope that Pakistan too expedites the case that's going on there, the trial in their courts, and bring to book the perpetrators and, most importantly, the masterminds of 26/11.